Okay. Let's just move this. God. I hate this stupid camera. My God. Anyways, this one good. I'm challenging myself to build a bug-out bag of what I have. Some of the things I've already chosen. This little first aid kit. Since it's a basic first aid kit, that's all I need. I don't need a trauma kit. Of course, I have a little bag. Of course, a paring knife. I mean, come on. You know I was gonna pick a paring knife. I wish I could actually. Ooh. You know what I do for light? Cause screw this. I'm sick of this not looking me bright. Guy. God. So yeah. Put this right here. Good. So yeah, of course I'm gonna be picking a paring knife. I mean, come on. It's in my bushcraft bag. I've used it. Yeah. You know, the little first aid kit, a little basic one. Yeah. Not modified. Actually, I could do this one or the Johnson & Johnson one. I decided to put this in here for other purposes because it has like extra blades. And because I need a multi-tool. Bam. I'm also going to be putting in my EDC they have the Dollar Tree like Swiss Army knockoff. I don't remember which one it is, but yeah. By the way, the only reason it has this is because of the alcohol prep pads. So yeah, this is the start of it. I'm probably not gonna use this for anything because I could probably find more of these that not, path and stream thing. I could definitely find more of these. I mean, come on, this is Dollar Tree, $1.25. Yeah. This I have like 15 of. Yeah, I prep these. These are good bushcraft knives, actually. So yeah. I will be adding my neck knife kit when I find the other, the other duct tape I have. So I'll have whatever I need. I do have a pocket kit, which is the pocket prepper guide, the pocket prepper thing, and the tiny smell guide. That has stuff in it too, like a water purification kit. You know one thing I do want though? A desalination kit. That's what I want. That's what I want. I want an old school one. But yeah. Now the reasoning behind each item, I need basic first aid. That's it. I don't plan on like cutting myself open or fighting a bear. So, and this has enough bandages, you know. I'll probably also put in the Rexall one. You know. I do have I think it's a Magellan or whatever pack that I'm going to use. I'm going to wash it first. So yeah. Reason for this. You don't know when I'm going to have to cut some rope. Quick. Or, do what have you. You know. This, I mean, come on. If I have to fish, bam. This is basically a fishing. By the way, these are meant for fishing. These little cheaper ones are meant for fishing, pretty much. Yeah. An all scraper. I guarantee that can opener is not sharp for nothing. There's a fish scaler, hook remover. That should be your indication of, oh hey, it's a flipping fishing tool. Yeah. This costs $10 if y'all wondering. Dollar General. you already know my thought process for this. It's a good dual knife. And it's $1.25. Actually $1.50 now, by the way. Letting y'all know. And that's stupid. Not to get political, but this is what voting blue does. Sorry, but it's truth. So yeah, neck knife kit. It has the paracord, has a whistle, has the little flashlight, which honestly I would recommend because that thing is freaking bright for a small little flashlight. Has a knife. It'll have a water container. It has like the fill rod and all that, and even the scraper in it, which can be used for a knife also, if need be. So yeah. So for also the book bag. Duh. So yeah, this is the start of my survival kit. I want to make my own survival kit. I want to see if I can actually make my own survival kit with what I have. I will have some actually this actually is quality. I wish this was wood though instead of plastic, but it is a full tang knife. Wait, actually, this is a better way to do it. As you see, it is a full tang knife. It does work though, and it is light, and I don't have to worry about it. Yeah, all you gotta do is get like a toothbrush holder, bam, it holds it. Right. Now, why I chose this one? Pretty much space. This lets me allocate space for other things. Also, my tiny survival, tiny survival guide. I think it has my little emergency fishing thing with the sewing thread, the needle on the Grim Workshop spool business card. So that's I have a little bit of survival instructions, how to do whatever. Oh, also I've been reading that let me get it. It'd be easier. Way easier. That's I had to get some other stuff. Okay, so yeah. Now, these two, the pocket pepper and the tiny survival guide, both have Fresnel lenses in them. Okay? Plus, I have a phone that can actually do QR codes. As you see, Fresnel lens. You know? I can pretty much just, And what I added to the, well, optical illusion. What I've added to this, if I have to do a little bit of sewing, the saw micro tool from Good Workshop, and the arrow one, which I could use as a drill easily if I need to. And I have, as I said, the water purification kit, which is basically a water bag and like maybe 1 or 2 water purification tablets. Recommended actually, because you don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I'm adding also the. I can get it because I know what it is. I guess. For a 2 is 1, 1 is none, I'm also adding the water straw. I'm going to be adding this. Yes, as a pocket kit. That's what's in it. there's a lot of stuff that's in it. And I would definitely add this for whatever I need. This, my little thing right here. It's actually a really good knife. Plus, it has a ferro rod, magnesium rod. Uh, so yeah, it's starting to be a good kit. Like cutting is something that's important to me. So yeah, this has reflective cord. This has sewing thread and all that. It has stuff that I can use for fishing and all that. If I lose my kit, I'm not screwed. So yeah. Uh, plus, let me show y'all the like what each of these do. The tiny saw kit, so tiny saw guide. For oh, here it is. Yeah. Now, by the way, this is less durable than this one. But yeah, this is how you open it, like this. By the way, this goes to different YouTube channels and all that. So yeah, that's the stuff that's in it, basically, front and back. Now you can't really see it, but you know. Oh my god! Oh, this is going to be a crap show. Can I get this back? You will not fall. Why does my crap insist on falling? Christ. But yeah, this is two-sided, as you can see. So yeah. But yeah, I think I have some good components. So, yeah. I need this because it's a water purification kit. It has a bag in it. You know, so, you know. Yeah. It's not that expensive either, to be honest. Yeah, I try to have different things in these because why not? You know? And here, I'll show you real quick. The survival instructions that came in the... I can't think of what it's called. The one first aid kit in my vehicle. Survival and all that. And here is the... as you see, there is the thread, which is, you know... It's basically if I need to fish, emergency fish, bam. And here's the thing. Like, well, I thought you were vegetarian. Right? You know, here's the thing. I can be a polo vegetarian, which means I can eat whatever, like, or I could, really? Anyway. These don't leave me anything. This is in there. You know? And you see, there's a frontal lens. This is easier to get. Probably easier to read too. For example, this has, you know, warning danger zones, survival for steps, getting rescued, getting home, blah, 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 blah. For example, this is easier and more durable, by the way. I recommend both, honestly. Yeah. So, yeah. That's basically the start of the kit. Okay? It's really nice. This does show you how to do a solo still. Oh, I read... Oh, let me get the books here. I also read the My Medic Stay Alive guide. Really good. I've been reading this also. Pretty good too. Right now, I'm on Plan for Losing Power. This is step 4. You know, 5 is storing water, blah, blah, blah. Pretty good. if you can find it, it's pretty good. Also, it's the thing I'm going to be adding to. It's another little thing. So, I have two little compact kits. So anyway, that's the sale of the bugout bag. We all think. I will be doing the Sawyer mini filter also, because why not? Has a bag in it too. I'm doing redundancy for a lot of the stuff. So, yeah, now. Wait, no, that's... I might add this thing too, by the way. Things I was thinking about. Things you don't know. Right. Anyway, yeah. When I get the book, the book bag is, I think, a Magellan, I think it's called. Expensive for what it is, type concern. But yeah. Anyway, that's the beginning of the bug out bag. My homemade bug out bag. Because honestly, I'll have like a little Swiss Army knife type thing and this. I think I'm putting both just to piss people off. Honestly, I prefer both. Honestly. So anyway, peace.